FaceTime is Apple's built-in video and audio calling app, allowing you to connect with friends and family using Wi-Fi or cellular data, and they must be using the iPhone as well. So let's get started. So simply tap on the FaceTime app from your iPhone home screen. Now here you can see the contacts you have ever FaceTimed with, but if you have not, then you will have to enter the name, email or phone number for the person you want to call. In order to do that, simply tap on the new FaceTime option available at the top right corner of your screen. So here you'll be navigated to enter the phone number, email or name. So all you have to do is enter the name or phone number, and then you can tap on the FaceTime option available at the bottom and it will start FaceTiming. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.